That's me. They must have known I was coming. They've got the sign up just for me. I'm here. I'm here in Prague. Kofola, it's like Czech Cola or Dr. Pepper or something like that. That's the nearest thing to it. I've got the raspberry version today. We're going to see what that's like. Not really sure if it tastes like raspberries. It tastes more like cherry cola. Yeah, I would say. It's supposed to be raspberry. Whatever. Don't matter. Look at this street. How nice is this? This street is called... So what? Osadny, Prague 7. I think DOX is up here, hopefully. There is quite a few bars around here. The girls I was talking to the restaurant last night said there was no bars around here. There is quite a few bars knocking about that we can check out. Oh, DOX. This is DOX. I think it's a contemporary art gallery here in Prague. I think this is where they've got the car with legs. I want to check that out. It looks like there's some kind of zeppelin on the top. Art is what makes life more interesting than art. Risk anything. Face the truth. Act for yourself. The tragedy of modern man is not that he knows less and less about the meaning of his own life, but that it bothers him less and less. The opinion that art should have nothing to do with politics is itself a political attitude. Living at risk is jumping off the cliff and building your wings on the way down. Be handsome, be attractive, and don't be unattractive. Hey, why this? Why not? DOX. This is it. Maybe it's Jesus made out of shoes, maybe? Vzducholoď. Erasers. If you want to erase something large from your life. And the big airship. Zeppelin. I think I feel at home here at DOX Art Gallery, what being I am a walking piece of art. As the sign said outside, be attractive, don't be unattractive. These stairs aren't for walking up, this is an installation. I was just going to walk up the stairs and realise it's actually a piece of artwork, not for walking. Never mind. Eva Jiřičná, something, the artist. I'm just filming the cafe.